How's it going, guys? So I have a nice little fail edit from my 2016 fails and a few from this 2017 winter. I've been busy right here lately, so I haven't had a chance to get any new content, so I had to go through my archives and put something together. I've been working the tractor in the yard today and putting some kids to labor. But yeah, so stay tuned and watch, and I hope you enjoy. Have a good one.